Hi, I'm Stefan Dahlqvist, Regional Manager for the Nordic and the Baltics. Now I'm going to show you one of our new LED mini projectors. This is M1 Mini Plus. It has a wireless functionality so you can stream your video or your content onto it. It has auto keystone, which means if you move it up or down, it will automatically adjust the image size. It has JBL speakers inside for very, very good sound performance in a very small and compact size. So it's easy to bring if you want to use it in the office or for your friends, you go camping or you bring it to your friend's house. Built-in battery, so it can run up to a few hours. It also has the award from ISE Awards. Compact size, brilliant for kids to use at a very, very attractive price point. If you want more information, please come and visit our website. Thank you very much.